Hey cousins, welcome or welcome back to our channel.
We copped these side tables off of Facebook Marketplace and baby had an idea to flip these dusty, busty, oogly foogly side tables and turn it into this elegant rendition of the Dana nightstands from Studio McGee. Studio who? Baby first cleaned the side tables with warm water, vinegar, and Dawn soap. She used a microfiber cloth to remove the dust mites.
Dust mite you.
She then used a density pad and a 180 sand grit sandpaper to prepare for painting, realizing this is not real wood. The top was giving veneer while the legs was giving laminate. What a mess. Wood filler was then applied to the cracks and the crevices of the wood.
Your crack is whack.
We sanded that down with a 220 grit sandpaper. Y'all see what baby is using? That Bondo is no joke. For my sister-in-law, baby cousin Tracy, I heard it dries real quick too. So work swiftly. We utilized our spray paint gun to apply the first coat of the color Black by Bear. It's so hard to say goodbye to yesterday. We forgot to put down the mesh door on our painter's tent, and one of y'all cousins came and died on our table. Rest in peace. As you can see, we missed some spots, so baby sanded it down before applying a second coat. Baby put the mesh door down this time. Put me in, coach. Here you see my beautiful baby applying the top coat of the polyurethane. Try to say that 3 times fast. Strategically, baby is applying the jute twine rope to the bottom shelf of the side tables. She secured the jute rope by knotting them and administering B7000 craft glue. Baby wrapping away, y'all.
2,000 years later.
She's still rapping. Here's the finishing product. Cousins, meet our Boho Chic side tables. Visit our website at BriLynn.store or come check us out on Facebook Marketplace. Any custom request, email us. The link is in the description. Deuces.
See y'all later, cousins.